Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over the new Windows 1903 update. It's going to be start rolling through on everyone's computer, so it's a good idea to get kind of familiar with it and see some of the new features on here. I'm going to go through 3 of the new features that I find that are pretty interesting and pretty cool to look at. So the first feature that we're going to go through is called the Windows Sandbox. So this is good for actually testing out programs, and if you don't believe something's going to be working right, it's good for programmers and engineers to test certain things out, see if it works or not. And it's pretty much a destructible environment, so anything that you do in this environment you can destroy, and it actually won't affect anything on your actual OS, which is really good for testing out these programs and everything like that. So it's actually like inside, so you can go online, you can act like it's pretty much anything you can do on Windows 10 you should do right here. So, and then if you close it out, it'll show you that this content will be discarded and permanently lost. So after anything that you put on there, it's gone. So it's a good way to test out things and stuff like that. The next feature I want to show you is good for people that like to do the emojis. So if you put emojis on your phone and all that stuff, well, now you can do it with Word, and it's a simple Windows key and then the period button, and it's gonna pull up all the emojis here, and you can just click on them and put it in there. It looks all cool and neat, so you can kind of mess around with that. They have a bunch of different little ones on here. So, and then the last feature that they added in was a theme called Windows Lite. So if you were to actually go here to the Windows, and we're going to type in theme, hit enter, and then we can go right here and we can select Windows Lite. Now when I select that, you'll notice everything turns white. So it's kind of like how they have dark mode and then now it's light mode. So essentially it's just a different mode. It's going to make it look a little different. It's a little fresher, in case you're kind of getting old, you don't want to use the old one anymore. You can change over to this one and it looks really nice and crisp. So, and then if you don't like it, obviously you can go back to the other one. It's not an issue there. So, but name's Joshua, and if you got any questions, you can give us a call at Impress Computers, 281-647-9977. Thank you.